Welcome to the National Environmental Science Program Climate Systems Hub Almanac Prototype. The Climate Almanac Prototype was developed to give Queensland Parks and Wildlife Service managers enhanced climate data and decision-making capability to address future fire management scenarios. Although the Climate Almanac Prototype was initially developed specifically for the Queensland Parks and Wildlife Service, it was clear there was a need for it to expand into a national resource. Starting with the homepage, several navigation pathways exist for users to explore the Climate Almanac, including a search function at the top of the page, filterable by location and climate hazard, a main site menu, top right, and 4 additional pathways to enter the key site content areas, including About the Almanac, Future Climate Hazards, IBRA regions, and climate webinars. Let's explore the Brigalow Belt bioregion and its associated bushfire hazard via the search function. Using the homepage search function takes us directly to the Future Climate Hazards page, where the user can further refine the region to a sub-region and explore different climate hazards for each location. In both sections below, a series of menu items enable the user to explore each topic in more detail. For instance, Climate Data Hottest Driest. This menu item presents the latest climate data for the hottest, driest, high emission scenario for a time period and forest fire danger index threshold, FFDI, that's again selectable by the user. The table shows a range of fire-related data metrics shown in the rows, with past, future and change values as shown in the columns. In the next menu we see the changes of planned burn windows represented by months of the year in the rows and the past and future climate under high emission scenarios in the columns. This data is likewise based on the initial user selection of a projection date and FFDI value and is useful for understanding changes to fire weather planning throughout the calendar year under different scenarios. The Climate Almanac also provides concise qualitative statements about what the climate data means to make the data as accessible as possible. The same approach is used for the remaining 4 menu items further below. Zooming out, let's explore the IBRA bioregions page via the main menu. This is an overview page for the Australian bioregions, which includes summary description of the region, drop-downs to select a region and sub-region, and an interactive map. Selecting any of these options will take us back to the Future Climate Hazards page that we saw earlier for the Brigalow Belt South bioregion. Let's use the main menu this time to quickly look at the last 2 site areas. Another way to explore a region and its associated climate hazards is to use the Future Climate Hazards page from the homepage or main menu. For any given region we can explore the specific hazards relevant to that location, including in this case, bushfires, heat waves, riverine and estuarine flooding. Clicking on Learn More for each hazard will present the climate data and qualitative statements for that hazard and region as we saw before. The NESP Climate Almanac also has climate videos. On this webpage you can view a collection of climate webinars that have been pre-recorded. Start by selecting a climate category from the drop-down to filter the list, or simply scroll the full list of videos. Finally, for more information about the Climate Almanac and the data behind it, select About the Almanac from the main menu or on the homepage. Here you can learn more about the latest climate data used in the Climate Almanac. Thanks for watching this short overview of the NESP Climate Almanac Prototype.